What is up guys, my name is Mario and on this video we're going to check out PUBG on the Galaxy Note 5. Let's go. After playing several games using the smooth graphics and the low frame rate, I noticed that I can play multiple games. There's no issues with the game lagging. I'm able to play for a couple of hours. The phone doesn't get really hot like the Note 4 used to. This is the best settings to have if you're playing this game because you're going to be able to have a longer battery life on it and you're going to be able to play for longer periods of time without having the phone start overheating or start lagging as a result of that. Overall, I didn't have any issues while I was running around doing multiple things. So if I had all my teammates around me and I was able to use the microphone, listen to them, because you're going to have a larger screen. It is easier to navigate around, be able to press the different settings, the different options, aim, shoot, run around, move as you need. When you have a smaller phone, this can get pretty complicated, especially if you're not used to it. I have used it without a case, and as I already mentioned, it doesn't really get hot, but if I use some of the advanced settings, I can start feeling the phone getting a little bit hot on the back. As I change the settings to the balanced graphics card and the medium frame rate, I did notice right away that there's a little bit of lag at the start of the game. I have also noticed that the phone is starting to get a little bit hot. Yeah, I can definitely feel the heat even on the front of the screen. As I have my thumb down on the sprint button, I can feel it just feels a little bit hot compared to just playing with the lowest settings. So as I'm playing, I haven't really had any lag on it. It's moving around pretty well. I haven't had issues with the phone. But as I'm starting to get close to other people, like close to my teammates and other people's around, when there's more action going on, I can feel the phone is starting to lag a little bit. It is still doable. I don't feel like you can't play it completely, but definitely it's not the same experience as if I was playing with the lowest settings that I show on the previous sample. To have the better experience on the Note 5 while playing PUBG, I feel that I have to have it on the lowest settings, just so I don't feel some of the lag, the phone doesn't get as hot, and I feel like I can have a longer battery lifetime on it. One thing that I noticed is that I do have about 2 GB of RAM free to play on the game. If your phone gets a little bit laggy while playing PUBG, maybe it's because you have some of the apps running in the background. Consider checking that out and maybe closing some of the apps or disabling some of the apps if you're not using them. If you have a Note 5 or any of the Note phones, consider subscribing to this channel. I'm going to have a lot more videos coming up in the near future. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the like button if you enjoyed this content, and I'll see you on the next one.